Hi, I'm Tara, and I'm here today at St. Helens Crossing, where owning a brand new townhome in southern Delaware is easy and affordable. Here, you can own for less than rent in a fantastic central Millsboro location. We're located right off Route 113, so whether you work here locally or in Seaford, Lewis, or even Dover, you can get there easily. You'll also be near everyday conveniences, parks, restaurants, and of course, the finest beaches and boardwalks Delaware has to offer. Plus, with lawn care and exterior maintenance included, you'll have more time to do the things that you enjoy doing. Our townhomes are thoughtfully designed, offering open floor plans that maximize space. You'll have 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and a basement that's great for storage, or finish it later for additional living space. On the first floor, the great room opens to the kitchen and dining area, so you can chat with family and guests while you cook. Upstairs, the owner's bedroom is a cozy retreat with its own bath. And you'll have the convenience of having the wash and dry upstairs. Best of all of your appliances, even that wash and dryer, are included here at St. Helens Crossing.
I was a little nervous because as soon as we started, they said we had to put some money down, and I literally had $80 more than what we had to put down. It was just a piece of cake. Everybody worked with us, everybody called us, everybody stayed in touch. It was the total opposite of everything I've ever heard.
Come and visit for your personal tour. We look forward to welcoming you to your new home.